Most people think they stay poor because they don't work hard enough. But the real reason is something nobody teaches them: the rules of money. Millions of people work every day, earn money every month, and still struggle financially. The problem is not always income. Sometimes the problem is knowledge. School teaches us many things, but most people never learn how money actually works. We learn how to get good grades and find jobs, but we rarely learn how to manage, grow, and protect money. Every financial decision creates a path. One path leads to temporary pleasure, while the other builds long-term wealth. Many people receive their salary and immediately lose control because expenses take over before they even think about saving. Money disappears silently through small daily habits that feel harmless. Small expenses don't look dangerous alone, but together they can destroy your financial future. The first step to becoming wealthy is identifying where your money is leaking. When you control your money, you control your future. One of the biggest money mistakes is buying things to look rich instead of building wealth. Looking wealthy and being wealthy are two completely different things. Many people spend money on things that lose value instead of buying things that can grow their wealth. Money works like a plant. What you feed today decides what grows tomorrow. Time is one of the most valuable resources in wealth building, but many people waste it without realizing. Building wealth is not one big action. It is a series of small, smart decisions repeated over time. Another reason people stay poor is because they never learn how investing works. Many people fear investing because nobody explained it in a simple way. Financial education is a skill. The more you learn, the better decisions you can make. The difference between financial success and struggle often comes down to daily choices. Social media makes people compare their lives and spend money they don't actually have. Trying to impress people you don't know can become one of the most expensive habits. Wealth starts when you stop chasing approval and start building your own goals. Every day you choose between comfort today and freedom tomorrow. The first money rule nobody teaches you is this: wealth begins with understanding how money works. Getting a raise feels exciting, but for many people, higher income quickly turns into higher spending. This is called lifestyle inflation. As income grows, expenses grow too, leaving you in the same financial position. Buying more things may feel like success, but owning more doesn't always mean becoming wealthier. Small monthly subscriptions often look harmless, but together they quietly drain your income. Every dollar has a job. It can either buy temporary happiness or help build your future. Not all debt is the same. Some debt helps you grow, while other debt keeps you trapped. Debt that helps you build valuable assets can sometimes create long-term opportunities. But borrowing money for things that quickly lose value can become a financial burden. Learning the difference between needs and wants is one of the simplest money skills you can develop. Saving money protects you, but saving alone won't make you financially free. Saving keeps your money safe. Investing gives your money a chance to grow. This is the magic of compounding. Small amounts can grow into something much bigger with patience. Compound growth is like a snowball. It starts small, but becomes powerful over time. Time is often more important than the amount of money you invest. Wealth doesn't appear overnight. It grows from consistent action. Many financial mistakes happen because emotions take control before logic has a chance. Marketing is designed to trigger emotions, not smart financial decisions. Sometimes the smartest purchase is the one you decide not to make. A simple budget gives every dollar a purpose before you spend it. Progress becomes easier when you measure your financial habits. Successful people focus more on learning than impressing others. The best investment you can make is investing in your own knowledge. Skills create income. Financial knowledge helps you keep and grow it. Wealth grows quietly. Most of the important work happens long before anyone notices. The moment you understand the rules of money is the moment your financial future can begin to change. Your financial future doesn't begin with your wallet. It begins with the way you think about money. Two people can earn the same income, but build completely different lives because they think differently. Wealthy people usually focus on long-term goals instead of short-term excitement. Every day you choose between instant pleasure and future freedom. Successful people often delay small rewards today to enjoy much bigger rewards later. One of the biggest money lessons is learning the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets can generate value over time. They work for you, even while you sleep. Liabilities demand your money month after month, making it harder to move forward. Wealth is built through a simple cycle. Earn, save, invest, and repeat. Consistency beats intensity. Small actions repeated for years create extraordinary results. Many wealthy people don't depend on just one source of income. The more healthy income streams you build over time, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. New skills often create new opportunities to earn. Financial freedom grows from many small habits working together. Tracking your money is one of the simplest ways to improve your financial life. Pay yourself first before paying for unnecessary wants. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It helps keep you from becoming poor again. Every purchase you avoid today can become an investment for tomorrow. Don't compare yourself with someone else's success. Compare yourself with who you were last year. Discipline is the bridge between earning money and building wealth. Financial success isn't one giant leap. It's climbing one step at a time. When you understand money, you can also help others avoid the same mistakes. Remember, wealth isn't built by one big investment. It's built by consistent investing. The habits you plant today become the financial life you live tomorrow. You don't need to be rich to start making better money decisions. You only need to start today. Financial freedom is not one lucky event. It's a roadmap made of small decisions repeated over many years. Rule number 1, never stop learning. Financial education pays dividends for the rest of your life. Rule number 2, build a financial safety net before taking bigger risks. Rule number 3, make investing a habit, not an occasional event. Rule number 4, choose assets over unnecessary status. Rule number 5, know where every dollar goes. Awareness creates control. The goal isn't to become someone else. It's to become a better version of yourself. Every small improvement moves you closer to financial freedom. Money grows with patience. Time is your greatest financial partner. When you learn these lessons, you can change not only your own future, but also inspire others. Wealth rarely appears overnight. It grows quietly through years of consistent habits. Learn, save, invest, stay patient, repeat. These simple rules can change your financial life. Knowledge weighs far less than regret. Your past decisions don't have to define your future. The best time to improve your finances was years ago. The second best time is today. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Financial freedom begins with one decision: deciding to learn. Every goal starts with one simple action. Success becomes easier when you learn from people who understand money. Knowledge without action changes nothing. Today's small step is tomorrow's big advantage. The journey may be slow, but every smart decision moves you upward. If you found this helpful, the next lesson will show you the 10 biggest money mistakes that quietly keep people broke. Subscribe to Irfan Finance, where we make money simple, practical, and beginner-friendly, one lesson at a time. You don't stay poor because you aren't capable. You stay poor when nobody teaches you the rules of money and when you never decide to learn them. Today you've taken the first step. Keep learning, keep investing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.